Hey everyone, this is Jordan Sasser with Elevate, and in this video, I will share why Simon Says is a great activation that will guarantee super fun engagement at your next event or group gathering. This game is so full of energy and it's really easy to lead. It's perfect for any size group and usually works best with medium to large crowds. Also, please stay here until the end because we've got a free resource we're gonna give to you for your next event or gathering. All right, Simon Says, let's do this. So you'd begin by gathering everyone into a common space for an activity. And you could say, all right guys, in this game, you'll do whatever I ask of you, but only if the command is preceded with Simon Says. So if you even flinch to do something Simon didn't say, then you're out. You have to step aside until the next round until we have one winner. Does that make sense? Okay, let's start. If Simon says, you know what I'm saying, then you can start. So have fun with it, be creative with your commands, and then reward the winner with a prize. People will laugh, they'll enjoy being competitive, the free prizes will be enticing, which will bring lots of good engagement. So, Simon Says, go lead this game at your next event. Now, I mentioned a free resource earlier. We've put together a list of event host and MC tips that you can use at your next gathering. These tips will help you bring your best energy, excitement, and confidence to any event or group gathering. You can download this free resource using the link in the description below, and be sure to subscribe to our channel, hit the bell icon so that you can get notified of our newest videos. We're constantly releasing new games, event tips, and leadership advice. And hey, if you like this video, give us a thumbs up, drop a comment. Thank you so much for being here. Hope it comes in handy as you lead your next Icebreaker game.